By now, you should understand your keywords and you've prepared your site. In this part of the course, I'm going to explain a few useful first steps in your actual SEO campaign. It's always a good thing to know how much of your site is already indexed to create a sort of baseline. You can very quickly ask the search engines to tell you how many pages they have in the index. I'll show you the simple technique for doing that. And if your site isn't indexed, well, I'll provide a few clues as to why that may be. I also want to go over the search results. When you search at a major search engine these days, the results you see don't always come from the same place. They come from several different indexes. So we're going to look at the search results page, dissect it in effect, and I'll explain which pieces you have control over and how, and which you don't, or at least which you can't influence through SEO.